Building on the success of Alpha Motors' Wolf truck series, which efficiently produces a variety of vehicles for a wide audience using its modular platform and intelligent manufacturing processes, Alpha Motor has implemented the same strategy to advance the development of sedans. The midsize electric sedan SAGA is designed to offer both practicality and an engaging driving experience. By combining the ACE program with SAGA, ACE now serves as a two-door coupe built on the same modular platform, streamlining the development process and maximizing efficiency. Earlier this year, Alpha Motor announced the advancement of SAGA, leveraging insights from the Wolf production program to advance the pre-production of its EV series. The upgrade of ACE to the midsize SAGA platform strengthens its appeal to the mainstream and positions it as a stronger market competitor. Together with increased battery capacity, power and interior space, these improvements increase production efficiency and scalability for Alpha Motors' sedan category. This combined approach divides vehicle development into two main categories: light trucks and sedans. By standardizing processes and platform technologies, it optimizes production to deliver versatile vehicles that prioritize consumer needs such as accessibility, performance, and customization. Down to the details, Alpha Motors' component strategy has enabled streamlined production and efficiency while maintaining a focus on high-quality execution. This information relates to the base model of the ACE Coupe and shows target specifications provided for illustrative purposes only. Specifications are subject to change and are not binding. The ACE Coupe series includes the ACE Coupe Basic Model, the ACE Performance Edition, and the Super ACE. Alpha Motor is consolidating its innovation efforts by combining processes, technologies, and strategies to achieve the following. Efficiency. By streamlining manufacturing processes and using modular platforms, the company reduces complexity and costs in vehicle development. Versatility. Consolidation allows for the creation of a diverse range of vehicles that share core technologies, ensuring flexibility to meet diverse consumer needs. Market impact. This streamlined approach maximizes the company's ability to compete effectively in the EV market, appeal to a wider audience, and achieve stronger demand. Alpha Motors' smart manufacturing strategy enables us to meet diverse market demands while maintaining efficiency and innovation across our product line. By focusing on consumer priorities and increasing market competitiveness, the updates to the ACE Coupe have increased manufacturing efficiency, performance, and mainstream appeal, resulting in an even more stylish vehicle, as shown in the images below. The ACE Coupe has been recognized as an award-winning design and a major influence in shaping new automotive trends, including the rise of retro-inspired EVs. Despite these validations, Alpha Motor continues to focus on achieving product-market fit excellence. By prioritizing consumer-centric design and improving our vehicles based on feedback, we aim to produce EVs that meet consumer needs and accelerate mass adoption. The ACE Coupe reflects this approach by balancing distinctive design with market-driven functionality. In line with Alpha Motors' smart manufacturing process, prioritizing consumer needs while addressing value, variety, and versatility, significant adjustments have been made to the ACE Coupe to ensure it remains competitive in the modern marketplace. These adjustments include optimizing dimensions for improved interior comfort and improving the overall design to deliver an exceptional vehicle experience from inside to out. Starting with the modular platform, the company evaluated performance targets and vehicle packaging to align with consumer needs and expectations.